This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to know about Metasploit. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The Metasploit project is a computer security project that provides information about security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and IDS signature development. The Metasploit project offers penetration testing software and provides tools for automating the comparison of a program's vulnerability and its repaired patched version. If you do not know what is penetration testing, then I tell you in brief. Penetration testing is the practice of testing a computer system, network or web application to find security vulnerabilities that an attacker could exploit. Penetration testing is also known as pen testing. The main objective of penetration testing is to identify security weaknesses. Metasploit framework is the open-source version of Metasploit. Its best-known sub-project is the open-source Metasploit framework, a tool for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. Other important sub-projects include the opcode database, shellcode archive and related research. Metasploit was created by H.D. Moore in 2003 as a portable network tool using Perl. By 2007, the Metasploit framework had been completely written in Ruby. For more information about Metasploit, I will give the Wikipedia link in description. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.